Bullish NEM cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 13 cents and 25 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept XEM could reach 10 cents by 2025. Bearish NEM market cost expectation for 2023 is 2 cents. NEM presentation. The NEM blockchain has been around well before the crypto frenzy began, and the XEM token is viewed as a veteran digital currency among specialists. NEM has an exceptional use case and is in fact unique in relation to non-exclusive blockchains, which is important for the motivation behind why financial backers from one side of the planet to the other are keen on the XEM token. Assuming that you're keen on finding out about future NEM cost forecasts, you're perfectly located. In this video, we've summed up NEM cost forecasts, complete from NEM value today to average cost, past execution, normal exchanging esteem, current cost, market cap, least value worth, and greatest cost. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is NEM a wise speculation for what's in store? How about we find out? What is NEM? NEM represents new economy development and is an environment and blockchain convention worked by a Singaporean non-benefit association called the NEM Establishment. NEM began as a fork-out variant of NXT, a well-known blockchain-based cash and installment network stage. It advanced in 2015 to become NEM, fostering its own codebase to make NEM quicker and more adaptable. Accordingly, the NEM digital currency stage was made, which was totally extraordinary from the first NT it originated from. The vision behind NEM was unequivocally to offer a smoothed-out answer for associations that wish to use public blockchain networks. NEM furnishes associations with the important engineering to construct custom undertaking blockchain arrangements, regardless of the fact that they are so new to the blockchain space. NEM is a two-layer convention constructed utilizing the venture-accommodating Java programming language, close by other broadly embraced ones. NEM's essential center is to address the numerous specialized and calculated obstacles undertakings tackle while taking on blockchains, and its particular, effective arrangements deserve areas of strength for it around the world, particularly in East Asia. The NEM blockchain stands apart as a result of major areas of strength for it, which upholds the association and upkeep of both private and public blockchains through an agreement instrument. NEM's not difficult to arrange framework, open UI, and dedicated local area are effectively combining customary strategic policies with the imaginative universe of blockchain records and have gotten NEM a spot among the top blockchain conventions all over the planet. A prologue to the XEM coin. NEM's local token is called XEM. The symbolic's essential capability is to move esteem in the NEM organization, as with other blockchains. It can likewise be utilized to pay reapers to approve exchanges and decision on administration choices. XEM has a most extreme stockpile of 9 billion tokens, and every financial backer should hold no less than 10,000 XEM before they can collect or meet all requirements to procure or produce new blocks. NEM Essential Investigation. The NEM network stands apart in light of the fact that it highlights usefulness that other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Litecoin need. It permits designers to make custom tokens and empowers them to buy different conventions close by NEM. Beneath, we've assessed a portion of the NEM organization's top highlights. Speed. NEM's essential benefit over other shrewd agreement stages is network speed. It is prepared to do effectively, clearing an expected 4,000 exchanges each second. More noteworthy effectiveness with a POI instrument. One of NEM's primary points is to construct a superior blockchain, and it accomplishes this by utilizing a proof of significance framework. Different organizations like Bitcoin utilize a POS or POW framework, where a mining gadget is expected to work for the blockchain, and rewards are conveyed in view of an excavator's work commitment. An issue with this framework is that diggers with high handling or registering power in POW enjoy an unnecessary upper hand over those with less strong machines, with the overabundance power utilization making the cycle energy wasteful. The POI instrument, be that as it may, enough handles this issue. It underscores how much is really put resources into the NEM network with a reasonable personal stake. The quantity of XEM coins in the wallet and the holding time frame assist with checking the significance of the venture. Private to public blockchain interacting. NEM offers the capacity to consistently communicate with private and public blockchain, given that elaborate gatherings concur. NEM empowers simple exchange of computerized resources from a confidential interior undertaking network through a public blockchain to one more confidential organization at the less than desirable end. NEM is right now worth 2 cents USD. XEM has moved 0.15% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,671,903. NEM value expectation 2023. NEM, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The XEM cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 4 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 4 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. XEM is supposed to have a base worth of 3 cents. NEM value expectation 2024. In 2024, NEM XEM cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of XEM will before long outperform 7 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the XEM's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XEM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 5 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 6 cents. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 10 cents and XEM might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. XEM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 9 cents and a low of 8 cents in 2025. NEM value expectation 2026. Assuming NEM effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the XEM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XEM will be green in 2026. The XEM is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 13 cents, with a base cost of 11 cents and a typical cost of 12 cents. NEM value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the XEM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 15 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 14 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XEM has a greatest value worth of 16 cents. NEM value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 18 cents. In the event that XEM figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 19 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help XEM needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 17 cents. NEM value forecast 2029. While XEM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 20 cents and a yearly cost close above 22 cents in 2029. NEM value expectation 2030. By 2030, NEM will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 23 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 25 cents. Averaging out at 24 cents. NEM value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Our NEM value